Hello everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Facebook page in 1 minute. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to go to your Facebook account, and in the Facebook account you have to click on the top right sidebar on your profile picture, and you will see all the pages here. Just click on see all profile and select the page you want to deactivate. So for example, I wanted to go with this page to deactivate shoutmegadgets.com. Let me click on it. Now you are using Facebook using your Facebook page. You can see the icon has been changed of your profile. You have to click on this icon again, and then you have to click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. Once you see this screen, then in the left sidebar scroll to the left in the bottom, and under your information you have to click on access and control, and you will see deactivate page and delete page option. Delete page is going to be a permanent. Once you delete this page, this is not going to be revoked. So you have to click on deactivate page because this video is all about deactivating the page. This can be temporary, so your page will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most of the things you have shared. Okay, I think this is very self-explanatory. So let's move further. Just click on continue. You have to add your password, and after adding your password you will see these options. You have to select the options like my account was hacked, I had a privacy concern. You have so many reasons. Just for the time sake, let's click on this is temporary, I will be back. For example, you wanted to deactivate your page for 1 month, 7 days, 10 days. So just click on this one, and you should not click on logout because this is going to be logout and you will forget your option. So you just need to click on cancel, and then you will click on how many number of days you want the page to be automatically revoked again. You can see the number of days. So I will be selecting 7 days by default, and after 7 days I will be back and my page will be automatically reactivate my account. Okay, so this is very easy. You just need to explain further. If for any information you can write it down here and then click on deactivate. You will see this prompt in front of you. Just click on deactivate now. Okay, so my page has been successfully deactivated. If I go and show it to you guys, earlier shoutmegadgets.com in the initial part of the video it was there. Now it is not there. That means it has been successfully removed for 7 days as we promised. Okay, so that's all in this video everyone, and if you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and keep supporting my videos. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.